രാജശ്രീ വെങ്കിട്ടരമണൻ. ഇത് 14-ാമത്തെ ഡിക്റ്റേഷനാണ്. 130 വാക്ക് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ഷോർട്ട് ഹാൻഡിൻ്റെയാണ്. 13 ഞങ്ങൾ നല്ലോണം പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടാവുമെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. എനിക്ക് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവരെല്ലാം ചെയ്യണം. ഇത് നല്ലോണം പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്താൽ തീർച്ചയായും 120 വേഴ്സ് വളരെ എളുപ്പത്തിൽ എഴുതാൻ സാധിക്കും. It gives me great pleasure to extend to you a hearty welcome to our institute, and we offer you our heartfelt felicitations on your being chosen as the Minister for Agriculture and Animal Husbandry of the state of Karnataka. Those of us who have had the privilege of knowing you rather intimately look almost with envy at what you have accomplished during your regime as the State Minister for Animal Husbandry. Earlier, you have rendered immense service to the cause of agriculture as a member of the Board of Regents of the University of Agricultural Sciences. Being yourself a practical agriculturist, there is no doubt that you are in an advantageous position to enrich both the fields of agriculture and animal husbandry in our state. You were born into one of the well-known families known for its reputation as forerunners of modern agriculture. You were yourself a student in the agricultural school at Hebal and later obtained a degree in agricultural with distinction. It is not often given to one individual to do so much for the cause of agriculture and animal husbandry as you have been able to do. Perhaps it is truer to say that it is rare to find in one person the vision to plan intelligently for the future in these fields and at the same time to infuse interest in his fellow citizens to invest and practice the modern art and science of agriculture. As for myself, it has been a keen sense of pleasure to be associated with you and to have felt for inspiring influence of your personality. May I, on behalf of you, on your elevation as Minister for Agriculture and Animal Husbandry, and offer our best wishes for many more years of stewardship to fulfill your ideals. Sir, I do not think it necessary to introduce ourselves to your good self, since you have all along been a great agricultural technologist and hence one of us. This Institute of Agricultural Technologies was established during the year 1967 with the objectives of bringing together all the technologies interested in the agricultural development in the country to provide a forum for discussion, exchange of ideas, and dissemination of scientific and technological knowledge pertaining to agricultural development, to stimulate research in the fields of agriculture, and to promote practical agricultural technology in all its aspects, and thus serve the country in order to achieve better and increase agricultural production. Several seminars have been held under the auspices of this institution, and our technologies are engaged in various fields of governmental and other public sector institutions in very responsible positions. At the same time, we have been keenly feeling the want of a common platform to exchange ideas and work together for the betterment of Indian agriculture in general and agricultural development in Karnataka in particular. We are on the threshold of the 5th five-year plan, and there is a heavy responsibility devolving on us to make all our endeavors to see that the objectives of the plan are achieved in full. To this end, we need a common form and a building to house the office of the Institute of Agricultural Technologies with necessary facilities. We request you kindly use your good offices to get us a suitable site for this purpose. Sir, we have gone through carefully the day books and ledgers of your company in connection with the business carried on by you in Mysore and Mandya districts respectively. We have also seen the accounts and vouchers showing the payments made by the company during the past 3 years. We find that during this period of audit, although there has been a progressive increase in the amount of business done and consequently in the amount of gross profits of the concern, and general expenses have remained almost stationary, so that the net profits are not only larger by reason of the greater bulk of trade.